Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to someone's comment on your post in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now go to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture in the left hand side of your screen. Scroll down your screen and go to the comment that you wanna reply to. Here, click on the reply option. Now type in your reply, or you can use the text available on your screen. After you're done, click on the blue arrow in order to post the comment. And that is how you can reply to someone's comment on your post in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.